Hi, I'm John Hazzard, and for me, it's all about food. Today I want to make one of my favorite beverages to make, or favorite cocktails, and it's an Amaretto Sour. I know they say it's a ladies drink, but for some reason I love an Amaretto Sour, and it's so simple. And sours are really popular now, like whiskey sour is popular and rum sour, but I love an Amaretto Sour because I like things a little sweet. I don't know if it's because I'm Bajan, but Amaretto Sour is the bomb. Very simple. All it is really is just I use Disaronno, so I use this one. And simple syrup, lime juice, and ice. Shake in your Boston shaker. Strain into your glass, or you can pour it with the ice. I normally would use fresh ice. And it's so simple. So let's just go ahead and start to make it. So basically, we're gonna take our Disaronno first. We're gonna take 2 ounces of this. And we're gonna pour this right into our Boston shaker. 2 ounces of that. Then we're gonna take 1 ounce of or you could do half an ounce if you want, of the simple syrup, which is equal parts of sugar and water. And I have made this before. I believe I did a video on rum punch, and I showed you how to make simple syrup. You can just take hot water as well, equal parts hot water and sugar, and just pour the hot water over the sugar until it dissolves, and you have your simple syrup. And then we're gonna take some lime juice. Cut this in half. And I'm gonna use a lime squeezer. We're gonna squeeze this right into here. Let's just get this right into here until we get an ounce of that lime juice. Just a tad bit more. And we are finished. Let's just squeeze some more lime juice in there. Good. And we have our ounce of lime juice. We're gonna pour this now into our shaker. Important, ice, really important in making cocktails. So we're gonna grab some ice now. And the ice assists with dissolving. So we're gonna pour this in, seal it, and then we shake. Good. I'm not very good at this as yet because I am a chef, but I'm loving cocktails, so I'm not like one of your professional cocktail makers, but I have an idea. I'll just get this out without fighting with it. And then I'm gonna put some fresh ice in this glass now. That's just to the side. Some fresh ice cubes. That's about good. And then we're gonna go ahead now and put on our Hawthorne strainer, and we're gonna strain this now into this glass. And there you have it. And then what we can do, we can do a bit of garnish here. So we can take a bit of lime. Just gonna cut off just a little of the edge here. Cut this in half. Cut this half in half. And then we're gonna cut this now in a half. Good. So just get rid of that. And we have now, just make a little incision here. Good. And we have our Amaretto Sour, which is fantastic. I know it tastes good because I always drink it, so let's just taste this. That is amazing. I could drink Amaretto Sours all night. but that's absolutely delicious. So if you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like, subscribe, ring the bell, and I will see you next time on All About Food. Again, I'm John Hazzard, and today was all about food, but tonight it's all about the Amaretto Sour. See you next time on All About Food.